Toyota is introducing an all-new vehicle trim level that comes factory equipped with the most common modifications people tend to make to their trucks. This concept was introduced at SEMA with the showcase vehicle being the Tundra TrailHunter. TrailHunter is what the package including these modifications will be named. So buyers will now be able to have a modified vehicle without affecting the warranty and spending thousands on labor and parts. Let's have a closer look. TrailHunter is an all-new trim level / package, and it won't be just for the Tundra. This is a new thing that is going to be added to most Toyota off-roaders. The upgrades done by Toyota with this package are extensive. Let's start with the suspension. This Tundra is controlled via remote reservoir shocks that provide improved damping and payload control. It is also worth mentioning that the truck sits considerably higher than stock. On the outside, you will quickly notice the roof rack, roof tent, aftermarket front and rear bumpers, and the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. The roof rack and bed rack are surely something that Toyota will offer. I am not so sure about the roof tent though, as those are best done by sole tent companies, since automotive manufacturers do not really have the experience needed to build a great tent. Aside from the racks and tents, the TrailHunter Tundra also has some different bumpers. The rear unit is made from steel and features some very useful steps on the side that will make accessing your bed rack much easier. It also provides a better departure angle and is a lot tougher in case you do manage to hit it while off-roading. For pedestrian safety reasons, the front bumper isn't steel up to the headlights. In fact, the only steel part is the midsection. This upgraded unit offers welded recovery hooks, a bar with some rigid off-road lights, and a TrailHunter skid plate that covers the oil pan. It is a great addition to the huge front end of the Tundra as it makes it look more purposeful. In the bed of the truck, we can see an ARB fridge, which suggests there may be a partnership between Toyota and ARB in the future. This would be great as ARB is one of the leading manufacturers of off-road accessories in the world. Finally, Toyota engineers have added some steel side steps that will make stepping in this taller truck much easier. These will also protect the doors and seals from rocks. We still do not know if they are strong enough to act as actual rock sliders, but they add some protection in case you need it. There are some trucks out there like the Chevy Silverado and the Sierra 1500 84X AV edition that offer off-road accessories from the factory, but none of them do it to the extent that Toyota has done it with the TrailHunter edition. Toyota really seems to be on a unique path here, and as long as they provide well-engineered parts, I believe that many people will get on board with this idea. Think about it, you get all the accessories in one single package. Therefore, you only have to finance once if you're planning on financing, and there is no need to find a garage to get all the accessories fitted. The only possible issue is that buying a truck that is already modified removes the aspect of personalization and research, meaning that you won't be able to build your vehicle exactly as you want to, but will instead get a competent build aimed towards the general public. Depending on what you want to do, this may or may not matter. So, this is the all-new TrailHunter concept by Toyota. What do you think? Is this something that will sell? Leave a comment down below. If you have found this video interesting, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.